The five animals art is most effective and efficient when used in combination. There will be some techniques that are more potent if used, for example, a snake jab than the double splitting palms or po pai. However, if you have the ability to fa jin, then po pai can be lethal, but the intention of where to strike is different. Therefore, what to use also depends on your combat strategies and skill. If your conditioning and skill is in the snake strikes, then use it. Changing into tiger claw strike or using the crane wings will depend on the combat situations. In Wing Chun, most of the techniques are of the crane wings movement. Example, the Quan Sao, the diffusing rotating Quan Sao, the deflecting Fak Sao, the intercepting Mun Sao, the opening of the crane wings as Fu Sao, but can be propelled by the snake body. The snake body is the prime mover of many techniques and power generation, like in the Tun or swallow movement, creating an absorbing intention followed by the spitting or Tu action, but is missing in modern Wing Chun. It is obvious that Wing Chun has lost the essence of the snake and crane, attributes, essence, and Kung Fu elements. What's Wing Chun then? The modern Wing Chun cannot be the authentic Wing Chun definitely, at best. It is how Wing Chun is perceived. To for now, as an elementary martial arts missing the essence of Kung Fu.